In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize project documentation in Jira and Confluence. Let's be honest. When documentation is scattered across random files, chat threads, and personal notes, teams lose time fast. People repeat the same answers, onboarding slows down, and important technical knowledge becomes hard to find. The good news is that Jira and Confluence make it much easier to build a single, reliable place for your team's knowledge. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open your Atlassian workspace, create a clean documentation page, connect it to your project, and make sure everything is easy to access and review. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to your Atlassian cloud site. If needed, sign in through the Atlassian login page and complete authentication. Once you arrive at your main dashboard, open the software project where you want your documentation to live. This is the foundation for the rest of the setup, so make sure you're in the correct workspace before moving on. Inside the project, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Project Pages. This area acts as the documentation hub for your project, giving you a central place to store information instead of keeping it spread across multiple tools. When the project pages area opens, click Create Blank Page. If your documentation already exists in Confluence, choose the option to link to a Confluence space instead. Either way, this opens the documentation workspace where you can start organizing your content in a more structured way. Now create the page itself. Click into the title field and enter a clear professional title that quickly tells your team what the page covers. Then, in the body of the page, build out a simple 3-part structure. Start with a system overview section to explain what the software or environment is for. Next, add prerequisites and dependencies so teammates know what they need before getting started. After that, create a Run Commands section and place any important terminal commands inside code blocks so they stay readable and easy to copy. When everything looks good, click Publish to save the page. Next, return to your Scrum or Kanban board and open a relevant issue. In the Issue Details panel, find the Confluence Pages or Link Page field, then select the page you just published. This connects the documentation directly to the ticket, which helps team members access instructions without jumping around. If you only need to capture a quick note for a single task, you can also use the Issue Description field. Open the ticket, click into the description, add a short technical documentation heading, then paste the note or snippet underneath and save it. Finally, review your board and linked pages carefully. Confirm that the correct project items appear, that the page links open properly, and that any code blocks are formatted clearly. Once that check is complete, your centralized knowledge setup is live and ready for your team to use.